We are working on a 1794 2024 Toyota Tundra. I'm gonna show you how to replace the wheel brake pads and rotors, and also how to put it in service mode. What you do is make sure your parking brake is off inside the vehicle. Once you turn the parking brake off in the vehicle, you go outside. You need to remove the parking brake motor itself. Here by two 5mm bolt Allen socket. We're gonna remove them. Now we need to wiggle the parking brake motor itself until it comes out. It's just tight, but it will come out. There it is. Set it on the side like this. Then we're gonna take a T50 torque socket and we're gonna turn it clockwise, and it's gonna stop eventually. It stops. Now take a screwdriver and compress the caliper. Right. There it is. It is all the way in, as you guys can see. So we're gonna take the bolt off. We're gonna use a 70mm wrench, or you can use a plier to hold the back bolt of the caliper bracket, and in a 40mm in the front like this, right? And let's go. So if you don't do that, what's gonna happen is this is gonna keep spinning and the bolt will never come out. The same thing here, the same thing down here. There you go. Set it on the side. Now inspect your slider pins. This need to be greased. That's for sure. They need to be greased. Take your old pad out. Make sure you save those hardware if you don't have new ones, or you can buy them separate. Sometimes they don't come with the new pad and rollers. There you go. Now we're gonna remove these two 90mm bolts that hold the bracket in place. Also, if you need to make sure you have those clips here, you might have to buy them separate, okay? If not, you can reuse them. Just make sure you clean them real good and you'll be good to go. Here's our hammer. Now we're gonna tap the holder to get it off. Don't hit the studs, make sure you only hit the holders, right? Now we're gonna clean the hub. Now we're gonna clean it. We use a wire brush to clean it also. Now we're gonna take out the slider pins and we grease it. There it is. Same thing here. I'm gonna take the old hardware out. We're gonna clean the surfaces here. You can use the wire brush, or I'm gonna use that cookie wheel, whatever you call it, to clean it. Alright, you see how clean this is. Now you're gonna put our new hardware in. Pay attention to the orientation. Alright, we're good here. Same thing down. Good. Now we're gonna clean the rotor with brake clean or soap and water to take the rust protection off. Perfect. I'm gonna reinstall our caliper bracket. Right now, let's start our bolt. Good. If you don't have a torque wrench, make sure this is tight. Have a wrench like this. This is good. Sitting down here. Good. So we're gonna put those clip on back on the brake pads, just like the old one. What you do, you put them like this, right? Do the same thing here. Perfect. And put a little bit of grease down here. Good. So what you do, you put the bottom in first. Alright. And you're going to push down on this thing here. And that's it. Do the same thing for the back. We got both pads in place. We need to grease front. Just like that, that's enough. Got the pin in place. We're gonna hold the back of the bolt back there, and while we put in the other bolt in for the caliper. Okay, let me try to do it. Now let's put our caliper pocket brake motor back on. All you do is this thing, you're gonna wiggle it until it is fully seated. There you go. Do the same thing back here. There it is. We are all set. Now I'll show you how to take it out of service mode. Let's put the tire back on. Good. We're back inside the vehicle now. What we do to, first of all, before you take it out of service mode, you need to pump the brake pedal, because we just replaced the brake padding holders and we compress the caliper. And you turn the key on, right? And you push the brake pedal and pull on the parking brake button. You're gonna hear the caliper turning back there. I can hear it spinning. And you'll see your parking light turns on. And that's how we do it, guys. Alright? Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.